Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a must-have gadget for mobile filmmakers, the FocusFoto Smartphone Video Rig. If you're into vlogging, content creation, or just capturing high-quality videos, this setup might be perfect for you. Stick around as we break down its features, benefits, and overall performance. The FocusFoto Video Rig is an all-in-one filmmaking kit designed to enhance smartphone video quality. It includes a sturdy bracket with dual hand grips, a BOYA by-MM1 shotgun microphone, and a 49 LED video light. This setup offers improved audio and lighting, making it ideal for professionals and beginners alike. The rig supports smartphones between 4 to 7 inches and is compatible with tripods, sliders, and dollies. This rig is built for stability and convenience. The dual hand grip ensures smooth handheld shots, reducing unwanted shakiness. The two standard shoe mounts allow you to attach the LED light and microphone effortlessly. Additionally, the microphone is compact, battery-free, and compatible with various devices, including smartphones, DSLRs, and PCs. The LED light provides 800 lumens of brightness with a 6,000 Kelvin color temperature, making low-light shooting a breeze. During testing, the rig provided a solid, comfortable grip for extended shoots. The microphone delivered clear, directional sound, reducing background noise. The LED light significantly improved video clarity, especially in dim settings. Plus, its lightweight design ensures easy portability. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or casual creator, this rig enhances your production quality effortlessly. So is the FocusFoto Video Rig worth it? Absolutely. It offers professional-level stabilization, lighting, and audio at an affordable price. If you're serious about mobile filmmaking, this rig is a game changer. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think about this setup. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.